Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain, especially this video is for newbies. So I'm just changed my Wi-Fi connection, so I'm going to connect the Wi-Fi. So I need to do the settings. First I need to enable it and then go to set up internet connections. So if you find it right, so it is, I'll be getting any I'm getting error. Okay, I need to connect it, right? So go to network and it is getting failed. Go to settings, set up internet connections, and my Wi-Fi connection is found. So I need to provide the password. Provide your password and then give OK. Automatically yours will be connected. So I'm going to change it to game mode. So that's it, friends. Now it is connected. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedback in media form. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.